What do you think about the Belgian team?
It's very nice, very nice.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah,
They're crazy, don't they?
always.
Always crazy, yeah.
Yeah, maybe. They fun. They
Yeah.
cool.
Aren't they crazy?
Oh, very crazy.
Yeah.
Panic.
Well, what do you think about the Belgian team?
Many handsome boys.
Many handsome boys? Oh, which one is the most handsome one?
I won't tell you.
You won't tell me? Come on.
I tell you later.
Okay, all right. Okay. Michael, what do you think about the Belgian team?
They're pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
Tectonic.
Tectonic, yeah. Carla, what do you think of the Belgian team?
Oh, they're nice. They're
Yeah.
really, and they are cute.
Yeah, they're cute. Yeah. Which one is the cutest?
Birds.
Birds, yeah. Oh. All right then. Go on then. Go on, Hassan.
I go ahead?
Yeah, go ahead. Go
Okay,
ahead.
these guys are crazy. Seriously, they've been touching me. You know, that's not normal. Everywhere. I've never been touched by a man like that. They need to change.
They're Belgian. Yeah. Belgian team.
The gay team? Oh, man.
How about
My
you, Mike?
mother knows about it. I never crossed the Portuguese border again.
What do you think, Marion?
Me?
Yeah, what do you think about the
Actually,
Belgian
just
team?
This.
It's not. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
How about you, Esma? What do you think of the Belgian team?
I think they should send me some Belgian fries and some Belgian waffles.
Belgian fries and Belgian waffles. Good, good.